I've got everything primed in the trailer. I did the walls and the ceiling a second coat. I'm just gonna leave them white for a little while. I'm gonna paint the floor with this floor enamel paint, and I'm gonna mix in some of this texture. It says a full bag if you want to get extra grip, so we'll do that. I've let the floor dry overnight. It feels pretty grippy just in my socks. I've primed the walls and the ceiling with 2 coats. I'm just going to leave that for now until the next step is building some cabinets and stuff. I'd have to put all the trim back in before I can put the new, the top pieces, the metal pieces, where I put the side pieces in. And they're going to be in different spots now because of the ceiling and everything. So I'm just going to leave it for now, and then so I make out, I'll probably just leave everything white. And all right, so I'm gonna do a second coat. So I've got primer in 1 coat, I'm gonna do 2 coats. They're pretty heavy, so I think that'll be all right. We'll see how it holds up.